For accuracy, there should be a lot of focus on conviction. Like say, you must have seen where you felt that these are the questions which I have attempted, which will be surely right. There your accuracy will go around 95%. If you feel that, okay, little half-hearted, but almost sure, the accuracy is likely to go to 75 to 80%. Someone you felt not very sure, but still you wanted to go with it because there was mostly it was right. Accuracy might be 50%. Some questions you guessed because two options you could rule out, but two options were there, you randomly marked it. There also expected is 50%. So overall, it is likely to be around 70-80%, right? Now, so accuracy management should be like this, that if you're guessing also, there should be a plan. Now, as far as time management is concerned, it should not be the case. Like say, let's take 2021. A lot of people, what they did a mistake was, they started with English, say 30-40 minutes, then came to legal, because legal they felt there's a strong, they say for instance, they felt that legal is the best, so let me. What mistake was done is that they continued it for the 50 minutes because it was super lengthy, so time consuming, and they felt that let me finish this and then move to the next one. Now what happened, by the time they came to mathematics and reasoning, which is in the order, a lot of people go by the sequence of CLAT, which is not necessarily correct. So, and 21 paper, if you see, these two turned out to be the easiest one. So they were left with just 15-20 minutes for these two sections. And since reasoning was pathetically easy and even maths was, so this created a lot of problem for them. So what is the solution? Time management, you should keep an upper limit for each of the section. Like say for legal, there should be, the first phase, if you're attempting, make a 25-30 minutes that you're not going to give 30 minutes in the first go or 25 minutes in the first go. This will keep you disciplined. This will keep you safe. There will be enough time. I'm not saying now, when I'm saying an upper limit, I'm not saying this is the total time. Total time might be 50 minutes. You again came back because logic was very tough. You again came back to this and altogether you gave 45 minutes. So that's fine. Another warning, I'm not saying this is the lower limit. I'm not asking you to necessarily invest 25 minutes. You may quit in 10 minutes also. So this way, if you manage the time, it will be safer and more effective.